Good morning children, welcome to science class. In previous part I explained you what are solids, what are liquids and what are gases and their properties, and how can we separate soluble and insoluble substance from water. Today I will explain you composition of air. Air is a mixture mostly of gases. What is air? It is a mixture of gases. And what is the percentage of nitrogen? Nitrogen is 78% of total air. Oxygen is next, forming 21% of air. What is the percentage of oxygen? 21%. Do you know what is oxygen gas? Oxygen gas is needed by living things for respiration. Without oxygen gas we cannot survive. It is very useful for respiration. It is also essential for burning. Other gases including carbon dioxide make up 1% of total air. Carbon dioxide, as we know, is essential for photosynthesis. Some of the other gases include argon, helium, neon and ozone. Now you can see this diagram. Oxygen is 21%, nitrogen is 78% and other gases are 1%. Air also contains some water vapor. Some water vapor are also present in air. The amount of water vapor in air varies from place to place and season to season. Amount of water vapor varies from place to place and season to season, because in rainy season humidity is very high, water vapor amount increases. The air in coastal areas and in any place when it rains has more water vapor. In coastal areas, humidity is more. The amount of water vapor in air is called humidity. When humidity is high, we feel sweaty and uncomfortable. Now in rainy season, humidity is very high. We feel very sweaty and uncomfortable. Air also contains minute particles like dust, smoke and pollen grains. The quantity also varies from place to place. Polluted air has more of such particles. Dirty air has dust particles, smoke and pollen grains, and polluted air has more of such particles. Breeze. As the sun shines, it warms both land and sea. Warm land and sea in turn warm the air above them. When air gets warm, it rises. Hot air always rises. As warm air rises, cool air from the surrounding area rushes in to take its place. This air that moves in it is called breeze. Breeze blows from a cool place to a warmer one. Breeze always blows from a cool place to a warmer one. You can see this. The sun shines equally on both land and sea. The sun is very high and it shines equally on both land and sea. Sun rays falls equally on land and sea. But land and water do not warm up at the same rate. Land warms faster than water. So during the day the land becomes warm while the sea is still warming up. At night the sea becomes warm while the land cools. If you live near the sea, you have two kinds of breeze, sea breeze and land breeze. The sea breeze blows in the day, the land breeze blows at night. Listen children, listen very carefully. The sea breeze blows in the day and the land breeze blows at night. The land warms faster than water. Leave a bowl of water on the ground outside on a sunny day. When it is very hot, you can take a bowl of water and keep it on the ground outside on a sunny day. After a few hours, touch both the ground and the water, which is warmer. This shows that in the day the water is warmer than the night. Sea breeze. In the day the sea is cool and the land is warm. You can see this diagram children. In the day the sea is cool and the land is warm. So the breeze blows from sea to land. You can see this sea water, cool air is going, warm land, from warm land warm air are going up, and from sea cool air are going towards the land. So this is sea breeze. Land breeze, you can see this diagram. At night the land is cool and the sea is warm. So the breeze blows from land to See, you can see this diagram. This is cool land. Cool air are going towards the warm water and warm air are going up. So this is called land breeze. Wind. What is wind, children? Fast moving air is called wind. When the air is moving fast, it is called wind. There are winds blowing in different seasons. Hot winds that blow during summers are called Lu. The air which blow during the summer season is called Lu. The monsoon winds blow from the Indian Ocean in southern Asia carrying lot of moisture. In monsoon season, monsoon winds blow from the Indian Ocean in southern Asia carrying lot of moisture. Moisture is very high in this air. They cause rains for 4 to 5 months after summer. That is why the rainy season is named as monsoon or monsoon season. Monsoon rains start from the south and move towards the north, covering almost whole of India and helping irrigation of fields and filling lakes, rivers and ponds. Monsoon rains, they help in irrigation of fields, filling lakes, rivers and ponds. Now breathe fresh air. We should always breathe fresh air. We should not breathe dirty air. So fresh air has more of oxygen. Fresh air, what is fresh air? Oxygen. We should not breathe carbon dioxide. We should grow, for getting this fresh air, we should grow more plants in and around our house to get oxygen and oxygen rich air. And we should keep windows and ventilators open to allow the fresh air to enter through windows, and hot and used air to go out through the ventilators. What is ventilator? Do you know? We should keep ventilators in a house to let out this dirty air from the house. The exhaust fan in kitchen and in factories are fixed at a height to allow hot air to go out. The exhaust fan in kitchen and factories are fixed at a height to allow hot air to get out. Now this lesson is finished. Next chapter I will take in next period. Thank you, children.